Test your grammar skills with this question. You nailed it! Your grammar is impressive. Fill in the blank with the correct choice. Fantastic. You really understand conditionals. Think carefully before you choose. Correct! You found the right answer. Choose the correct option. That was a smart choice. Well done. Let's see how well you know English grammar. Brilliant! You used the correct tense. This one might be tricky. Are you ready? Superb! Grammar champions always get it right. Do you know the right answer? Right on. That's the perfect verb form. What do these words represent? You got it. Many people get this wrong, but not you. Do you know which option to use here? Yes, grammar is fun when you get it right. Think carefully before you choose. Sharp eye. You spotted the mistake and corrected it. Test your grammar skills with this question. Nice work. Your conditional sentence knowledge is great. Pick the right word to complete the sentence. That was easy for a grammar pro like you. Do you know the right answer? Fantastic. You understand verb agreement well. Only grammar experts can get this right.